In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Notion API key safely without revealing it. Welcome back! Today, I'll show you where to find your Notion API key safely without revealing it. If you're connecting Notion to a custom app, a script, or a third-party tool, your API key, also called the internal integration token, is what authorizes secure access. Because it grants permissions to your workspace, we'll be extra careful to view it without exposing it on screen. Start by opening Notion and logging in. You can use the desktop app or a browser. The steps are the same. Make sure you're signed into the workspace where your integration lives, and if you're recording your screen, consider pausing or hiding the window when we get to the token to avoid showing it. Next, click your profile picture in the top left or top right, depending on your layout, and select Settings. This is where you manage account-level controls. If you're in multiple workspaces, just double-check you're on the correct one before continuing, so you land on the right integration later. In the Settings area, go to the Connections section. This is where Notion centralizes all integration-related controls. Click Develop or Manage Integrations. That link takes you to Notion's Integrations dashboard, which lists the integrations you've created or have access to within this workspace. Find the integration you want and click on it. Each integration has its own page with details like its name, associated workspace, permissions, and usage instructions. Opening the integration brings you to the place where Notion stores the credentials for that specific connection. On the integration page, look for the internal integration token field. This is the secure location where your API key lives. Treat this token like a password. Do not share it, do not paste it into public places, and avoid displaying it in screenshots or live demos. If you're setting up a project, the safest practice is to reference this token through environment variables or your platform's secret manager, so it never appears in plain text in your code or logs. If you ever suspect your token has been exposed, rotate it promptly from this same area and update any apps that use it. Keeping the token private helps protect your pages, databases, and any connected resources from unauthorized access. And that's it. You now know exactly where to find your Notion API key and how to view it without exposing it. And that's where you can find your Notion API key without exposing it. Like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials.